Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and if you're like me and you have a small place and you feel like you don't have room for a dishwasher, well, I think you should check out this LMP mini countertop dishwasher. This thing is so cute and compact, but don't let that make you think that it's not effective at cleaning your dishes. I was really impressed by just how many dishes I can fit into this little dishwasher. Something that really tends to pile up quickly in our house is dirty cutlery, and that's one thing that I really like about this dishwasher. I can fit a lot of forks and knives and spoons in there. It has so many different cycles to choose from. It is just like a regular full-size dishwasher, just kind of scaled down a bit. It comes with everything that we need for a faucet hookup, but we don't have the right kind of faucet for that. That didn't matter at all though, because it works just as effectively using the water fill tank. I was so happy at just how clean this dishwasher got our dishes. They were literally sparkling. I am really loving its style as well. I love how it has that round window in the front so you can watch your dishes getting washed. It would go with really any decor. This versatile countertop dishwasher from LMP is definitely one of my favorite appliances recently. But that's just my point of view.